Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, basically it's a monthly subscription and they send you like 4 to 5 full-size products instead of getting like the little mini travel size ones. You get full-size products, so that's why I like it. I'm going to open the box. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Alright, so the first thing in the box that I picked up is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It says it is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I'm curious to see how well this does since I mainly use my Benefit Professional, which is also a pore filling primer. So I'm interested to see how these compare. Next thing I see in here is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner. It says, this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application for enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Next thing in the box is the Aesthetica Trio Series brush set. It comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. Hey! So I'm assuming we were supposed to use the eyeliner brush with the eyeliner that we got. Hello! Duh! Alright, we also have another Aesthetica brush. This is the P12 face brush. All of this. Next is the Han Skincare Cosmetics Moisturizing Lip Gloss. It says it is formulated with antioxidant-rich argan and acai, not acai. We don't have no acai. Acai oil and infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural resources. Alright. And last but not least, we have the Pure Sculptor palette. It comes with 2 highlight shades and 2 matte contour shades, so we'll definitely be contouring with that today. So since this is a monthly subscription, I am definitely going to be doing these each month. The way I'm going to be doing them is I'm going to open the box on camera and show you all the contents, and then I'm going to be doing my regular routine and then just adding these in. Does that make sense? Basically, I'm going to be replacing like products with the ones that I get in the box. I hope that's kind of clear. If not, you'll see in the video anyway. First, I'm going to start off with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Love to give a little safety seal. Alright, okay. Just get a little pea size on there. I definitely like the way it smooths out my skin. However, I've had the same effect with other silicone primers that I've used, so we'll see. I'll keep testing it out. Literally just got setting powder all over the floor. Great. I just applied foundation and concealer, and now I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun setting powder and this P12 Aesthetica brush. I'm just gonna lightly set the base. I actually really like this brush. I don't currently have just like a soft fluffy brush to apply powder. I usually just use a damp makeup sponge, but this worked well. I like it. Next I'm going to be using this Pure Sculptor palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Inventor for bronzer today. I'm just going to be taking that lighter shade on the M405 brush. Literally just looked like I smeared mud all over my face. So a little too dark for me, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Make it work. Make it work, boo. We'll make it work. I definitely wouldn't recommend the contour shades if you're more on the lighter side. They just kind of showed up ashy and way too dark for my skin tone, so won't be using those. However, I am excited to try these shimmers next. I'm just going in on the lightest highlighter shade called Originator. I'm using a Morphe M501 brush. Okay. Alright, she's popping. She's there. She's lit. She is lit. Okay. Yes, highlighter come through. Okay. I see you, bitch. She's popping. Hey. I'm not sure why, but this palette definitely smells like fudge, or like chocolate, fudge, and sweet. Now since this month's Boxycharm didn't come with an eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to be using the ColourPop Element of Surprise. This actually came in last month's Boxycharm, and I haven't got to use it much, so I'm just going to use it for this eye look, and then we'll just jump right in to the eyeliner. And finally, I'm just going in with this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner and this fine tipped eyeliner brush that we got in the 3-pack. Now that the eye look is complete, I'm just going to be finishing off the look with the Hans Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss. Alright guys, this is the completed look. So what do you think? I actually don't think it turned out that bad. Especially for being 2 o'clock in the morning, okay? How about it? Just a little overview and final thoughts. I did enjoy this Cover FX blurring primer. I really felt like it did blur my pores, but I will be testing it out in the future. As for the sculpting palette, these contour shades are too dark for me, so I probably won't be using them. However, the highlighter shades are great, so I will definitely be using those. Moving on to the eyeliner, it's okay. I would just much rather use an eyeliner pen or pencil rather than like an ink that you have to dip into like an inkwell. I also felt like it was hard to get a precise line out of it since it just runs like into the cracks of my skin. I'm not really sure what that's called, but that's what it does, so probably wouldn't recommend this. As for the face brush, I will definitely be adding this to my collection. I really enjoyed using this. And last but not least, this lip gloss. I mean, it's fine. If you have lip glosses, I wouldn't recommend like going out to buy this one. I'm just not really a lip gloss person, but it's alright, you know, it's a lip gloss. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday.